Hey everyone, it's Louisa here. It's Monday. It's a fairly unexpected and volatile time this morning, but I wanted to just go over my trades from this morning with you. We're off to a pretty good start for the week, but I want to frame the week for you. So currently, let's just pop into the 5-minute time frame here. My chart is a little bit messy at this point. I've got my dog sitting next to me. He's up here, so he's hard to see because he's all black. But anyway, I just wanted to kind of review that Asia accumulated, and then we dropped down into London, which was the manipulation. From there, price just started to move up, and then of course we did have probably some likely interference in the market with some fake news that came out that Trump was going to arrest or stop the tariffs. Of course, that news is fake news. But anyway, something affected the market heavily this morning. So I just noticed on the let's just go to the 1 minute here, because when the market opens, I trade on the 1 minute. So price came back down, revisited this fair value gap, and formed a breaker block, a bullish breaker block. Now, ordinarily, I like to wait for price to return to the bullish breaker. In this instance, this morning, it did not. It was not coming back. So I watched price move up into this new week opening gap, continued up into the just shy of the 50% level of Friday's opening range gap. From there, price began to fall. And the first trade that I took, it was a relatively short trade with a hard stop, of course. I sold three contracts and then bought them back down here. And then the next trade I took, so that was a relatively fairly simple trade. Let me just do the math on this. So 17,473 subtract 17,406. So that's 67 points here. Let me just write that in, 67 points. Not too bad for the first trade of the day. Then there was another small trade in here that is so small that I'm not even going to calculate it, because I guess there's just really no point. The next one was selling this one here, 17,475, and then just buying it back at 17,327. And that was 148 points. So I was okay with that. Now that was only one contract, but the real beauty, the real beauty was here. So price started to move up, but I still held like a fairly bullish bias, because I expect price to come back into this bullish breaker. So even though it was taking its sweet time, I still had the framework that ultimately we were coming back to this bullish breaker. So I entered and sold short when price rejected off this SIBI, and this was 234 points, and it was like a minute at most. Let me just show you what the time was. So I entered at 11:08 and I exited at 11:15. So that's seven minutes. I like those trades. So what's important is that price is very volatile. There's not very many fair value gaps. We're getting a lot of balanced price ranges, which makes getting into trades very difficult. You should be in your sim today, or making sure that you keep your trade short, nice and tight, and of course you need a stop loss that's going to accommodate for these wicks. And last of all, this news is really affecting the market, okay, both to the upside and to the downside. So caveat emptor, buyer beware. Okay, this is definitely a day. It's no news Monday. but we're seeing some really volatile moves here. So anyway, I wish you all a very good Monday. Keep your eye on the charts, bring them up to date. I'll be live streaming again tomorrow morning, and I wish everyone the best. Thanks for hanging out with me. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Help a girl outgrow her channel. Take care. Bye for now.